See an M3U file and your music player isn't picking it up correctly? This is one of the most widely used playlist formats in digital media. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and build your own M3U playlist files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure M3U formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. M3U files are media playlist files containing ordered lists of file paths or URLs pointing to audio or video content for sequential playback. Widely supported by media players, streaming services, and IPTV applications, they organize multimedia content into shareable and portable playlist collections using a simple text format. M3U files use plain UTF-8 text encoding with one media file path or URL per line. Extended M3U files begin with an EXTINF header and include XMMS directives specifying track duration and display title before each entry. Paths can be relative absolute or HTTP/HTTPS, URLs for streaming media playlist distribution. To maintain file fidelity, use VLC Media Player developed by VideoLAN project to open M3U. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can handle everyday playback, but fine-tuning requires a compatible audio editor. This is the first step toward access. Right-click your M3U file, then select Open With. Try VLC Media Player if you have it. If not, select any program from the list. The goal is to find one that reads the format. When your M3U file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these three essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, playing in media players. Open the M3U file in VLC Media Player by double-clicking it or dragging it onto the VLC window. VLC loads all referenced media files into its playlist and begins sequential playback. Windows Media Player, iTunes, and Foobar 2000 also natively support M3U playlist import for music and video playback. Next, editing playlist contents. Open the M3U file in any text editor like Notepad++ to view and edit the playlist entries. Each line contains a file path or URL. Add new entries by typing file paths, remove unwanted tracks by deleting lines, and reorder playback by moving lines up or down. Save as UTF-8 text with the M3U extension. Finally, creating IPTV playlists. For IPTV and streaming use, create an M3U file with an EXTM3U header and add streaming URLs with XTINF metadata for each channel name. Structure entries as XTINF followed by duration and channel name on one line and the stream URL on the next line. Load the finished M3U into VLC or an IPTV player app. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.